This is Anna from Disrupt Tutoring, and as always, it's such a pleasure to join you. Today we're going to be answering a grade 7 Natural Sciences Matter and Materials question taken from the Herzia Middle School June 2016 question paper. So let's dive straight in. I'm going to be answering this question here, and it reads, compressive strength can be defined as what? And the options given are A, the strength of an object that stops it being crushed or changing shape when squeezed. B, the ability to bend easily. C, the ability to break easily. And D, the strength an object has that stops it from breaking when pulled apart. Okay, so the answer to our question here is A, the strength of an object that stops it being crushed or changing shape when squeezed. To help us remember, we can just remember that compression means squeezing or squashing. Therefore, compressive strength is the resistance to being squeezed or squashed. Okay, that's one way you can remember this definition and the answer. Now let's just quickly have a look at options B, C, and D and see where those would fit or what that is. The ability to bend easily is called malleability or ductility. Okay, something is malleable or ductile, or elastic is another word. It can bend very easily. The ability to break easily is called brittleness, double T, like that. When something breaks easily, you say that it's very brittle. And the strength of an object that stops it from breaking apart when pulled, this is tensile strength. It's pretty much the opposite of compressive strength, tensile strength. Because like we said, compression is squashing, and this one is the strength from when you're pulling something apart and not pushing it together. Okay, so that's that for question 1.5 of this question paper. But before I go, I'd just like to send a quick shout out to our epic sponsor for making this video possible. You can read about them and more about us in the description below. Also, be sure to head over to our website for more of these epic tutorial videos. If you can't find the answer to your question, send us the question and we will respond with a personalized video just for you. Until the next time, guys, stay epic.